Hello guys, this is 2012 Mercedes CLS 500 body kit AMG63. This is 2012 model, price 45,000 dirham. 45,000 dirham, approximately it's 10,000, 12,200 US dollar. 2012 CLS 500 body kit AMG 63. It's look great, beautiful car. This is sticker on the body. It's not original color. The car is golden color, and the sticker. This is sticker. Let's see original color. So this is golden color, golden Dahbi. Sierra Leone Dahbi sticker is there. 63 AMG Mahawal 63 body kit, AMG exhaust. I love the light of CLS. It's beautiful, very unique. CLS stand out in the crowd, very different shape than other Mercedes. See the rims, AMG is there. This also new car, still we are fixing. Its front spoiler need to fix. All carbon fiber is there. This also need new carbon fiber here on the spoiler. This car driven 200,000 kilometer. Leather, AMG. Tiptronic gear. Steering still need to fix. You see the paint of this, we just new buy this car and we are